Hi, I'm Dr. Blair Masters. As I talked about in previous videos, there's 6 things that cause health problems. There's structure, like the bones and the joints, toxins, nutrition, which again has to do with anything you eat, drink, hormones, infections, prescriptions, allergies, emotion, and electrical pollution. Now, if you're here and everything's good, then your body has good function and you're basically at ease. You don't have any health problems, you're in really good shape. And really that's what health is. If you have 100% function, then you're 100% healthy. All your tissues and organs and systems are all working at 100%. You don't have any problems. But when these things start to affect you, and they eventually affect everybody. Everybody has negative emotions at some point in their life, and nobody has a perfect diet, and they fall or get in a car wreck or have bad posture and toxins are in our air and our water and our food, these things start to affect you and your body starts to malfunction. Well, this isn't necessarily something that you even feel because our bodies can adapt. They adapt to what we do to them. Take for instance when you swallow food, you don't even think about it after that. But amazing processes go on after the food goes past your tongue. The digestion occurs, assimilation, it's made into new tissue, new bones, new skin, new hair, that sort of thing. And the malfunction can go on for quite some time, but if this continues, we eventually see some sort of disease process. And a good example of a disease process is like heart disease. Some people, the first sign they have heart disease is they get a heart attack. And they might feel better even 2 or 3 weeks later after they've been to the hospital and had the heart attack. Well, that doesn't mean they actually are fine, but they still have the disease process going on. But when this gets bad enough, eventually we start seeing symptoms. And the symptoms can be anything, but those are basically your body telling your brain, we've got more problems than we can deal with. And again, one of the problems with our healthcare system is that the doctors and most patients focus on the symptoms. So again, if you have a headache, you go in and they give you something to cover up the headache. No doctors ever ask the question why. Why does a patient have a headache? Or you have back pain, they give you a painkiller, covers up the back pain, but they never say why do they have back pain and correct the cause of the problem up here. And when you cover up the symptoms, the problem is your malfunction and disease process are still there, so your health continues to get worse and worse and worse as time goes on. What you need to do is obviously get rid of symptoms, but then figure out why you have those, what areas you're having problems with, get rid of the malfunction and disease process so the symptoms don't come back. If you have a health problem that you are having trouble dealing with, we'd be happy to sit down with you and do a free consultation to help.